Hi, and welcome to the BASF Live Lounge here at Globe 2020. Our guest today is Phil Reagan from the EcoSafe Zero Waste organization. So can you just tell us a little bit about your organization, Phil?
Sure. EcoSafe, basically, we've been in the biodegradable plastics business for 20 years. Our bread and butter and how we make our money is from our products. And we have probably the largest line of compostable bags in North America. We're reputed to be the fourth or fifth largest distributor in North America. But our business model we're not there to sell commodities. And subsequently, we have become an advocate for composting. And we are facilitators of zero waste programs in basically 10 to 12 vertical markets, depending on which one of our salespeople you talk to. We pride ourselves in the fact that we are advocates for the composting industry. We're particularly advocates for the composter, and we collaborate with stakeholders throughout the industry.
What do you think your company can do to further the field of sustainability?
I think that the last we teamed up with a company actually an NGO 4 years ago called Kiss the Ground, kisstheground.com. If the folks will just write that down, take your kids and watch it because it's got excellent films, but watch the soil story, the compost story, and then a regenerative secret. That'll tell you about ranching. And it basically changes your perception on, okay, we've got this climate change problem and it's massive and we're all working to mitigate the release of carbon into the atmosphere. Right. Regenerative agriculture and regenerative practices in urban areas reverse that. There's
a big theme here on circular economy, and I think it's great, and we as BASF are active in all those areas. So what are some of the projects you mentioned? The kind of the stadiums and this Kiss the Ground, et cetera. What else might you want to tell us about in the area of circularity?
There's 60 billion tons of organics in North America that are going to landfill. Now you can just imagine what the impact of that would be if in fact we took that, composted it, and basically spread it on the soil.
So what do you think the barriers are for us to get there and to use more of that?
The regulation and an understanding, a general understanding, I think, of regeneration versus just sustainability.
You're onto something about the need for a dedicated kind of stream for the organics, and
right.
That's where we've been partnering on some materials that actually do satisfy the needs in that domain specifically. Right. And of course, it still remains a challenge to manage the separation and kind of the hygiene between those two streams.
You have to have rules that basically say, certified compostable plastics hold the BPI or the BNQ logos, number one. Okay. If it's not there, don't accept it. Okay. Secondly, it has to be proven to process in a local processor's facility. Yeah. Some of them are high tech, others are low tech. Yeah. I want to just say one thing about our partnership with BASF.
All right,
because we
hear that.
we have been with you since our inception. We are one of 2 brand partners worldwide for EcoVio resin.
That's right.
And the support that we get from the BASF team, whether it's the executives coming through North America and coming in visiting us to ask us what we're doing on the innovative side, all the way through to our reps in Canada as well as our North American rep, Jeanette Hanna, working with us in collaboration with composters, with regulators, and you are all in, and we can't thank you enough, not for EcoSafe's sake, but for the sake of the planet.